How to disable vibration in Snake Rivals. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can disable this feature. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right top, you can see the settings icon. Simply tap on settings. So now we're in the settings interface. Here, you'll be able to find different options and can even customize it. Here on the top, there's a section of controls. Simply tap on this arrow, and here this is the piece where you can find different controls and even customize it. Here on the right hand side, there's a vibration button. Now in order to disable it, simply tap on it and uncheck this box. At last, tap on save and you're all set to go. Now there won't be any vibration and you can easily play the game. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.